Let's talk about the crime of assault in the third degree under Alabama law. This particular criminal offense can be committed in one of four distinct ways. So let's talk about those ways. If someone has the intent to cause physical injury to another person, and they cause physical injury to any person, that would be the crime of assault in the third degree. In other words, if Knuckles Malone decides he wants to punch out his cousin Chuckles, and he goes to take a swing and he misses because Chuckles ducks, and you get hit, you're the victim, assuming you're not seriously injured, which would elevate the crime, but you are the victim of assault in the third degree because he meant to commit the crime. Doesn't matter that he hit the wrong person, he's still guilty of that crime. The second way this crime is committed is if somebody causes physical injury by acting recklessly. So let's say you're unfortunately related to Knuckles and you're at a family reunion and everybody's gathered around the picnic table and all of this stuff, and idiot Knuckles thinks, hey, it'd be fun, I can light a firework and throw it, and I throw it in the crowd. Well, you're there and you're unlucky, like sometimes my luck is. Bam, it lands in your shirt pocket, boom. You don't get badly injured, but you get injured and it hurts. Well, Knuckles, again, has committed the crime of assault in the third degree. And that's because he has recklessly behaved and his recklessness resulted in injury to another person. So that would be assault in the third degree. Third way the crime can be committed. And that is if someone causes physical injury to another person by means of a deadly weapon or a dangerous instrument. So let's go back to Mr. Knuckles. Our backyard where I live, we have a wooden fence, and our kids and the neighborhood kids used to go and throw knives against the fence. My wife didn't like it, put all sorts of dents and stuff. But at any rate, let's assume for the sake of this argument that it had big gaps in the fence posts. And let's assume further that there was a neighbor called Mr. Schlemazel who's mowing the lawn, and the kids are too stupid to not throw knives. One of them's throwing the knife, bam, it goes through. Mr. Schlemazel gets nicked in the butt. Well, assuming he didn't have a serious physical injury, the crime would again be assault in the third degree, and that's because through their behavior, using a deadly weapon or a dangerous instrument, they were criminally negligent. By criminally negligent, they weren't exercising proper care. They were grossly deviating from the standard of care, and they caused injury to somebody. So that's the third way. Now, the fourth way that this crime occurs is if somebody trying to interfere with a law enforcement officer doing their lawful duty, if by doing that they cause physical injury to anyone. So let's say that at this point in time that the police came and they're coming to arrest Knuckles because of the firework incident. Chuckles, his cousin, sees what happens and he runs over to the cop. The cop has him on one arm, and Chuckles grabs Knuckles and is pulling him to try to prevent him from being arrested, and as a result, Knuckles, whatever, he sprains his ankle or something. He gets scratched on the police car, whatever, it doesn't matter. He has some sort of minor injury. Well, Chuckles is now guilty of assault third degree because, again, he was interfering with a law enforcement officer who was trying to lawfully perform his duty, and that is the fourth way this particular crime can be committed. Assault in the third degree is a Class A misdemeanor. The punishment in the circuit and district courts is up to a year in jail, and this is just a quirk of Alabama law. If the case is in a municipal or city court, the maximum sentence is 180 days. I hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. I hope you like these videos. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing these law-related videos, if you'll hit the subscribe button below, I'd appreciate that as well. Thank you for watching. I hope it's helpful. By the way, if you need our help, just give us a call. I'm sure the number is listed on here somewhere. Thanks for watching.